Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show to you a big box, and this big box is a TCL Smart TV, which is 55 inches. This is coming from my brother from Qatar. Thank you so much, my brother, for this very big TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this time I am going to unbox this. Okay, so I am going to use this big scissors. So let's cut from here to the edge of this box. Okay, here. Okay. So here's the styrofoam. Okay, it's so heavy. Oh, it's okay. Okay, and here is another cardboard. And the Smart TV operation manual, and the stand of the TV, the remote control. It's so slim. It's a different remote control. Okay, then okay, so it's time to remove the TV from the box. Here is the big TV set, the Smart TV. Thank you, brother. Let's put this down. So heavy. So, thank you for watching. I am going to